Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a caramel latte. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready: fresh espresso beans, your preferred milk, and a good quality caramel sauce. Begin by preparing your espresso machine, making sure it's heated and ready to brew. Then, pull 1 or 2 shots of rich, dark espresso directly into your serving mug. This forms the essential base of your delicious latte. Next, it's time to prepare your milk. Pour about 6 to 8 ounces of your chosen milk into a steaming pitcher. Steam the milk using your espresso machine's wand, aiming for a temperature around 150 degrees Fahrenheit. You want a creamy, velvety texture with small, fine microfoam, not large bubbles. While the milk steams, drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce into the mug with your espresso. Now for the exciting part, assembling your latte. Hold your mug at an angle and slowly pour the steamed milk into the espresso. As you pour, try to incorporate the milk smoothly, holding back the foam with a spoon at first. Once most of the milk is in, spoon the creamy microfoam on top to create that classic latte art canvas. For an extra touch, add a final drizzle of caramel sauce over the foam. Congratulations! You've successfully crafted a delightful caramel latte right at home with your espresso machine. Take a moment to savor the rich flavors and creamy texture you've created. Feel free to experiment with various types of milk, like oat or almond, or try different caramel sauces to find your perfect combination. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your perfect coffee moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.